So this is the first time that we hear the death spiral of two neutron stars, and we also see the fireworks that came from the final merger.
This is my great-grandfather's gold watch. It's about 100 years old. The gold in this watch was very likely produced in the collision of two neutron stars approximately billions of years ago. We don't know exactly when. So this is really an amazing discovery.